𝐈𝐓𝐋𝐅 𝐃𝐄𝐍𝐎𝐔 Committee on Tribal Unity (𝐶𝐄) and the Indigenous Tribal Leaders Forum (ITLF) have denounced the convening of the fourth session of the 12th Manipur Legislative Assembly of Manipur on August 29, saying that the present situation is not all conducive for the 𝐾𝐒𝐍𝐲 MLAs to attend. In a joint press release, 𝐶𝐄 and ITLF said, considering the complete breakdown of law and order and the failure of the state in protecting the lives of the common people and top officials alike, convening the assembly session at the moment is devoid of logic and rationality. Since the outbreak of the current ethnic violence on May 3, Imphal Valley has witnessed the lynching of more than 100 innocent 𝐾𝐒𝐍𝐲 people and destruction of thousands of houses, including hundreds of churches and quarters. Even the lives and properties of ministers and MLAs were not spared, it said. If the state government is really concerned about bringing back normalcy, it should own moral responsibility and resign for good. Forcing the assembly session in spite of knowing well that the representatives of a sizable population of the state will not be able to attend is not only immoral but also expose the ulterior motive of the dominant community. The joint statement continued. If the government decided to go ahead with the session without considering the sentiment of the minority tribal people, any untoward incident arising out of it shall be the sole responsibility of the state government, it also warned.